When I first learned about spherical coordinates, I was able to recite the formulas, but I didn't really feel like I understood what was happening. The textbook diagram helped, but the hard part was picturing how the three components work together in 3D. Here's a standard multivariable calculus problem. If you haven't taken the course, here's the one thing you need to know. Spherical coordinates use the distance from the origin and two angles instead of x, y, and z. I tried using Maple's AI assistant to help create a diagram with interactive sliders so I could understand the use of spherical coordinates in a triple integral question. And the assistant gives me this 50-line code that could never come up easily, and I can insert it onto the worksheet directly. Upon execution, I get this interactive diagram. As I play around with it, it becomes very clear that rho is the radius of the sphere, phi is the angle from the positive z-axis, and theta is the angle around the xy plane. The sliders set the limits of integration. That's the whole idea of the triple integral in spherical coordinates, and it's the part that's hard to get from a static picture. The visualization didn't solve the integral for me, but it made the whole concept make sense.